We all know those mornings where nothing goes as planned and suddenly the day feels ruined before it even starts. But I realized something powerful. A positive attitude doesn't just change your situation, it changes our response, and our response changes our life. Life throws challenges at all of us here. There are moments when setbacks hit hard and giving up feels tempting. I remember one time I failed an important exam that I had studied for weeks. I felt frustrated, disappointed, and ready to quit. But I took a step back and reflected on what went wrong. I tried again and again until I got it right. That small choice to stay positive helped me turn my disappointment into motivation. And the next time, I succeeded. I'm sure all of us here have felt the same way. Working hard, yet feel like nothing is going our way. For a long time, I thought positivity was just about thinking happy thoughts. But I learned it's a practice, a choice we make again and again, especially when things are difficult. I started with small steps. When setbacks came, I asked myself, what can I learn from this? And when I felt stressed, I reminded myself of all those times I had overcome my greatest challenges. And when things didn't go as planned, I tried to see each one of them as my opportunity to grow. And honestly, it helped. My confidence grew, my stress became manageable, and then I noticed that people around me seemed more positive too. Positivity is contagious and it spreads. It's like throwing a pebble into a pond. Its ripples spread far beyond what we expect. Think about great inventors, athletes, and leaders. Thomas Edison failed hundreds of times before he invented the light bulb. Athletes missed countless shots before they scored. They didn't succeed because life was easy for them, but they stayed positive and believed in themselves. That same mindset can work for all of us here, at work, in school, in sports, and also in our dreams. Imagine if each of us chose positivity every day. Our classrooms would feel lighter, friendships stronger, and challenges more manageable. Together, we could rise higher than we ever imagined. So today, I challenge you. Choose to try, choose to believe, choose to grow. Focus not on the problems, but on all the possibilities. This choice to focus on the good reminds me of a powerful lesson I learned from a story about perspectives. It's about how we choose to look at the challenges in our lives. A professor walked into a class and announces that they would be having a surprise test. The students were really nervous, but as the papers were distributed, they had the courage to do it. To their surprise, when they got the paper, there were no questions, but instead a blank sheet with a tiny black dot in the middle. Looking at the students' confused faces, the professor started instructing them to write about what they see on the paper. Understanding the strange task, they started writing. After they were done, the papers were collected and the answers were read out loud by the professor. But everyone had just focused on the tiny black dot. The professor addressed the silent classroom and said, I see that everyone has focused only on the black dot and forgot about the larger white part. Then he continued, so you see, our lives are just like the sheet of paper. We have a lot of room to enjoy and appreciate things, like we have a good family, friends who stand by us when we need them the most. Yet, we spend all our time worrying about the tiny black dot, the one problem, the one setback, and forget about the larger white part. The professor's words struck a chord with me. From that day, I decided my mission was to focus on the larger white part. So I invite you to join me. Look past the black dot. Embrace the vast wide of your life and let your positive choice be your greatest legacy, a beacon of happiness and inspiration to others. Thank you.